So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix McDonald's app DCS error 10021 VPN DNS fix, network reset and login repair. So fix 1 is refresh your session. Open the McDonald's app and navigate to the account tab. Tap on sign out, force close the app completely, reopen the app, log back into your account, attempt your transaction error. Second fix is check and switch payment method. Access the app's wallet or payment screen, delete the current payment method, re-enter card details, ensuring accuracy in billing address and expiration date. Consider using a different payment method such as a physical credit or debit card if using Apple Pay or Google Pay. Third fix is clear app cache and data. For Android, navigate to your phone setting. Select app from the menu, find and tap on McDonald's, go to storage setting, tap on clear cache or clear data. For iOS, press and hold the McDonald's app icon, tap remove app to install it. Reinstall the app from the App Store. Fourth fix is disable VPN. Open your phone setting, locate your VPN and device management or network setting. Ensure your VPN is turned off. McDonald's security system often block transaction if they detect an active VPN. Fifth fix is check your app region and location. Ensure app region setting align with your current physical location. Tap on order to access the nearby map. Reselect your preferred McDonald's restaurant. Brief outage at a store or server may cause DCS error during checkout. Thanks for watching.